5 supplements you need to get rid of man boobs. Supplement number 3 is the most important and can eliminate your fatty breasts faster. Supplement number 5, Forskolin. Forskolin is an extract from the plant Coleus forskoli, which has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. More and more, this supplement is gaining attention in the fitness community due to its potential ability to aid in fat burning. It is increasingly adopted by men who wish to reduce fat concentrated in the chest area. But how does this supplement work? Forskolin works by increasing the levels of a compound called cyclic AMP, CAMP, in the cells. CAMP is an important messenger that plays a role in various metabolic functions, including fat burning in the chest and abdominal areas. By increasing CAMP levels, Forskolin can help activate lipolysis, which is the process of breaking down fat cells so they can be used as energy. This process helps your body lose the fat accumulated in the chest. This means that by incorporating Forskolin into your routine, you can not only promote fat burning, but also increase lean muscle mass, as it helps improve body composition. Furthermore, Forskolin can help eliminate fat in the chest area, reducing gynecomastia and providing a more defined and aesthetic appearance to your chest. However, before using this supplement, it is essential to consult a nutritionist or a specialist doctor for personalized guidance. Many professionals recommend a dosage that ranges from 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams per day, depending on the concentration of the extract. Many people choose to take Forskolin before meals to maximize absorption and enhance fat loss results. You can also combine the use of Forskolin with resistance and aerobic exercises. This combination not only enhances the effects of the supplement, but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle, increasing the effectiveness of your training program and improving your overall well-being. With discipline and the right supplementation, you will be one step closer to achieving your health and aesthetic goals. Supplement number 4, Garcinia Cambogia. Garcinia Cambogia is a tropical fruit that has become popular as a weight loss supplement in the United States, even being found in supermarkets across the country. The main active ingredient in Garcinia is hydroxycitric acid, HCA, known for its positive effects on weight loss. This supplement can be especially effective in combating fat in the chest area, particularly visceral fat, which is the most dangerous to fight in this area. But what really makes Garcinia stand out as a supplement capable of aiding in fat loss in the chest region? Garcinia Cambogia can help you reduce fatty breasts because HCA works by inhibiting the enzyme citrate lyase, which is responsible for converting carbohydrates into fat in your body. This means that by decreasing the amount of stored fat, Garcinia can help control weight and, consequently, fat in the chest area, improving the visual appearance of your chest. Additionally, Garcinia Cambogia also helps suppress appetite during the day, which can make it easier to reduce caloric intake. This makes it easier to resist the temptation to snack between meals, contributing to a caloric deficit, which is essential for weight loss. The recommended dosage of Garcinia Cambogia typically ranges from 500 milligrams to 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses, preferably before meals. However, it is always important to consult a doctor before starting to use this supplement. In addition to supplementation, you should combine Garcinia with a balanced diet rich in nutrients, prioritizing whole foods and avoiding refined sugars. Try not to include saturated fats in your diet, as this can hinder nutrient absorption in your body, limiting the benefits of the supplement. A healthy diet, along with Garcinia Cambogia, can enhance your efforts to achieve a more defined and healthy body. Hey, don't leave this video because I'm going to give you a tip at the end that can eliminate your man boobs in just 30 days. So go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Supplement number 3, 5-HTP. 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-HTP, is an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. What may not be as well known is that 5-HTP can also be an ally in the fight against body fat and, surprisingly, help reduce fat found in the chest area. Its effectiveness is almost as impressive as that of the supplement that holds the top position on this list. When you use 5-HTP, it increases serotonin levels, which can help reduce hunger and food cravings, making it easier to stick to a calorie-restricted diet. That's why this supplement is on our list. It's fantastic. I use it every day to avoid having fatty breasts and to assist in the loss of saturated fat, which can lead to weight gain and fat accumulation in the body. Additionally, 5-HTP offers many benefits for those struggling with binge eating, one of the main barriers to weight loss and fat reduction in the upper chest area. In addition to physical benefits, elevated serotonin levels are associated with a better mood, which can help with adherence to a healthy lifestyle. You will feel happy while losing your fat breasts, which is a great motivator. The recommended dosage, which should be discussed with your doctor before starting use, ranges from 100 milligrams to 300 milligrams per day, divided into doses throughout the day, usually taken before meals. You can also combine the use of 5-HTP with self-care practices, such as meditation and breathing exercises, to maximize the benefits of the supplement. This integrated approach not only enhances the effectiveness of 5-HTP, but also contributes to overall well-being, assisting in the weight loss journey and promoting a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. Supplement number 2, berberine. This is a bioactive supplement found in various plants, such as berberis. Although it is not as popular as other supplements in the United States, its properties in promoting weight loss and improving metabolic health are catching the attention of researchers, making this supplement increasingly popular among Americans. By the way, I'll ask the question, have you ever heard of berberine or used it or any of the supplements on this list? Leave your comment. Additionally, berberine acts in several ways in your body. It can improve insulin sensitivity, regulate glucose metabolism, and promote fat burning concentrated in the abdominal and chest areas, especially in the lower chest. This supplement is essential for those looking to lose weight, as better insulin sensitivity can help control blood sugar levels and reduce fat accumulation, not just in the chest area, but throughout the body. Studies conducted right here in the United States have shown that berberine can lead to a significant reduction in body fat and abdominal circumference, as well as help decrease fat levels in the lower chest. As a result, your chest will appear more toned with less fat concentrated in that muscular area. The dosage of this supplement should, like the others, be used in a balanced and moderate manner. Improper or excessive use can cause problems in your body, so it's essential to follow the recommended dosage, which ranges from 500 milligrams to 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into several doses throughout the day, usually taken before meals. You can also use it during workouts, especially during chest exercises. To enhance the effects of berberine, combine it with a fiber-rich and low-glycemic diet, focusing on vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This approach not only maximizes the results of berberine, but also contributes to a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Supplement number 1, Rooibos. While Rooibos is best known to many Americans as a delicious alternative to black or green tea, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can make it an effective supplement in the fight against body fat, especially in the chest area. Rooibos is rich in antioxidants like aspalathin and nothofagin, which help combat oxidative stress in the body, thereby contributing to a healthier metabolism. Studies conducted in the United States and the United Kingdom have shown that Rooibos may help inhibit the formation of new fat cells and enhance fat burning. This is because the polyphenols found in rooibos positively influence lipid metabolism, helping your body burn more fat, especially in the abdominal and chest areas. This supplement can be consumed as tea, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. There is no specific dosage, but it is recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of rooibos tea per day. This amount is sufficient to boost your metabolism and assist in fat burning in the chest area, helping to eliminate unwanted fatty breasts. Additionally, you can combine this supplement with spices like cinnamon or ginger in your rooibos tea, adding extra flavor and enhancing health benefits.